A day in my life as a BSED student na problema kay daghan gayog matunon. To choose a learner-centered philosophy, and the one that I'm choosing is constructivism. Constructivism, a learner-centered philosophy that focuses on how students build their own understanding through experiences. It believes that learning happens when students connect new ideas to what they already know. Learners are active participants who explore, ask questions, and discover knowledge instead of just receiving it. The teacher acts as a facilitator, guiding and supporting students through group work discussions and hands-on activities that help them apply what they learn in real-life situations. This approach develops critical thinking, collaboration, and responsibility for learning. Then, application in my future classroom. In my future classroom, I want to apply constructivism by making lessons interactive and experience-based. I'll use activities that let students explore and work together, encourage open discussions, and guide them as they build their own understanding. To sum up, constructivism is about learning by doing. It helps students become independent thinkers who can use what they learn beyond the classroom. Education isn't just about memorizing. It's about discovering and creating knowledge through experience. That's all for my video. If you enjoy watching, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated in our next video. Bye!